Hello everyone, my name is Chen-yi Chiang. The topic I want to report today is Cows and Blues, and the other name is 1A2B. Cows and Blues is an old code-breaking mind or paper and pencil game for two or more players, fighting the commercially market board game Midterm. It is a game that may date back a century or more, which uses numbers or worse. This time, it's a number-based game. The report content includes 5 parts. 1 is the scenery, 2 rules, 3 flow chart, 4 front panel bar diagram. 5. I will show you demo. I will demo my program. The first part, the scenery. The main structure of the game is the input number and the result. When the player gets the result 4A0B, it means the player wins and can end the game. If not, the game will continue. How do I get 4A0B? Let me tell you later. The second part is the rules of the game. At the beginning, the computer will have 4 hiding numbers for the player to guess. Players should pay attention when guess the number. The number in these 4 numbers cannot be repeated when the number is guessed correctly but the position is incorrect. When the time, the computer will give B's answer. When the number is guessed correctly and the position is also correct, the computer will give A's answer. A and B may exist at the same time, but they represent different numbers. The sum of A and B is as mod 4, which will not conflict. When the result is 4A0B, you will win and you can enter the program. Of course, there can be different ways of playing, such as completing within a specific time, solving the answer in the specific round, and the more people can enjoy the game together to train reasoning and logic skills. The third part is the flow chart. At the beginning, the player enters the program. The player enters 4 different numbers. The computer will determine whether the numbers are the same. If not, ignore it. And also start the timer. If there is, will judge whether the position is correct. When the position is correct, A plus 1. When the position incorrect, B plus 1, and then the result will be output to the player. Is it for A? If it is, the player will win and enter the program. If not, the player will enter a new combination of numbers. And I have set in a start button. If click yes, program will end. If click cancel, the program will continue. The fourth part is the front panel and bar diagram. This is my front panel setting. Include guess time, timer, guess number, input, record table, guess button, and start button. In the end, you can see the correct answer regardless of whether you complete the question or give up the answer. This is my sign block diagram. I divide the block diagram into several parts introduced. The arms on the left is mainly to generate random numbers. On the right is the digital processing of the number we want to guess. The middle on the right is to judge whether it matches the answer and the final output shows. Check number is used to check whether the number is in the tree are different. If I want to leave the game halfway, I have button to leave. When I send the first answer is with starting timer. This is how my timer is rated. Below is the object initially by my parameters. The fifth part I will show my program for everyone to see. Hello everyone, this is the game cows and rules that I designed. Let's start. Let me introduce the layout first. Here is my number of times, and here is the time span recorded. This big recorder table is used to record the guest numbers including 1A to B. Here is where I want to enter the numbers. After the input complete, the system will detect whether the input numbers are different, and the green light will be on. If the number lights up repeatedly, the green light will go out and gas will disappear. Let me show you. 0 and 0. 8 and 0. The gas is appear. After confining the number, press guess to send the answer. The game will be turning until you guess it. You can also press start if you don't want to play halfway through and press confirm to end the game. The red light will light up. Let me finish this game. Okay, I finished the game. And one more time. If I press start, yes, it will show the answer. My report is over. Thank you for listening.